Hi, Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges, taking a look at a market that until just recently seemed to need no downside hedge here at all. So we'll see if this rally can continue, but running into finally a little bit of pushback here, certainly on the Q. So that monsoon of money coming out of, corporate buybacks and the Fed, I think has run its course. Valuation certainly stretched. Technicals overbought, so I'm using this Triple Crown weekend to come up with three kind of put spread plays or outright puts to position to be somewhat bearish over the next month or so. So in the Qs, going out buying the traditional June 189 at the money puts, only paying about $4 for those. So with the Qs right at 189, won't need much of a pullback. The Vixen, which is basically the VIX of the QQQ, at the lowest level we have seen in a very long time. So puts cheap here as well. Again, not looking for a calamity, but just probably a 3 to 5% pullback. I think somewhere along the road here will be healthy. Disney is another stock that has rallied to the extreme, this kind of supercalifragilistic rally to the upside that we have seen finally ran into some resistance 2 days ago. Stock made a new all-time high at 142 and change. Pulled back close lower on the day yesterday. Today we're seeing some more weakness again today, so kind of like that reversal given the huge move on the stock based on the Avengers movie here. We have earnings coming out May 10th, so given the fact that stock is up some almost 30% year to date, I think the upside will be muted, the downside more a potential. So I'm buying the May 17th at the money 138 puts in Disney, selling the earnings week puts, the May 135 puts that expire May 10th, paying about $1.50. And again, just looking for Disney to close below that kind of 135 level post earnings. Again, more of a probabilistic put spread trade here as well. And one kind of put that I'm actually selling here is on Google. So Google came out with earnings that were not well received. They missed across the board. Stock last I looked down about 100 points, but I'm jumping in and selling puts out in June, so kind of hedging, if you will, my put buy on the Qs with some put sales on Q. In this case, a put spread. So the 1100, 1090 put spread, bringing in about $2.50. So be willing buyer of Google around that 1100 level. So we'll see who wins that Triple Crown, the first leg of it in the Derby this Saturday, and we'll see what comes of the market with the Fed meeting looming next week. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.